Ronaldo, first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram, shares video. Juventus and Portugal forward Cristiano Ronaldo has become the first person to reach 200 million followers on Instagram. Monsieur, the five-time Ballon d'Or winner, is the only sportsperson among the top 5 most followed persons on the platform. Monsieur Ronaldo's rival Lionel Messi is 7th on the list with 141 million followers. Ronaldo shared a video of his Instagram journey and thanked fans. Elon Musk earns $2.3 billion in 1 hour after rise in Tesla shares. Elon Musk earned $2.3 billion in a span of just 1 hour, increasing his fortune to about $36 billion, as Tesla's shares grew 12% to $649. Following fourth quarter results, Tesla posted $105 million in net profit in the fourth quarter and earned $7.38 billion in revenue. Notably, Tesla hit a market capitalization of $100 billion last week. Problem was indisciplined Delhi crowds. Murthy on Amazon event delay. Infosys co-founder Narayana Murthy has clarified on a recent controversy over cutting short his speech at an Amazon event in Delhi, which began nearly an hour and a half late. Murthy said the problem was with the indisciplined Delhi crowds who mobbed the entry gates. He added that the delay had nothing to do with Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, who came on time. Google to temporarily shut down all offices in China amid coronavirus outbreak. Google said on Wednesday that it is temporarily shutting down all its offices in China due to the coronavirus outbreak in the country. The shutdown includes all offices in mainland China, Hong Kong and Taiwan. Google has also placed temporary business travel restrictions on employees flying to mainland China and Hong Kong. We didn't even have a data center when you joined. Zuckerberg as Parek quits FB. Facebook co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg on Wednesday said, "I don't think we even had a data center when you joined," as Jay Parek, the company's vice president of engineering, announced his decision to quit Facebook. "I think the most important thing you built here though was our culture. Thanks for everything," Zuckerberg added. Jay Parek had joined Facebook in 2009.